Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: iPad OS version and pencil pairing. Once done, install Metapen from the App Store and open it. Make sure to grant mic, camera, and file permissions so the app can record and access images. Pair your Apple Pencil in settings if not already connected. That gives you pressure and tilt. Now tap New Canvas and select your preferred brush preset. You're ready to create. Don't delay. Begin drawing immediately to lock in tool behavior. Once you've launched, configure brush attributes and test with a short stroke so you can feel pressure response. This prevents surprises later. Next, set up a clear layer structure, base sketch, color fills, and separate effects, because layers let you edit non-destructively. Make use of blend modes for lighting and color harmony. Use gesture shortcuts like 2-finger undo and 3-finger redo to move faster, and pinch to zoom for detail work. These speed up iteration and reduce accidental mistakes while you refine the piece. To finish, export in the format you need: PNG for web, PSD for layered editing, or high-res TIFF for print. Pick resolution and color profile before exporting. Enable autosave and cloud sync so your work backs up to files or iCloud automatically, preventing data loss. If you hit lag or tool stutter, try lowering brush smoothing, close background apps, or restart Metapen. These steps free memory and often resolve performance issues. If problems persist, reboot the iPad and test with a new document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.